Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies very easily. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and tools ready. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your cookies bake evenly from the start. Next, prepare your baking sheets by lining them with parchment paper. This simple step prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort. Now, let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is well combined. Finally, gradually add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt, mixing until just combined. With your dough ready, it's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto your prepared baking sheets, leaving a little space between each. Place them in your preheated oven and bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges turn a beautiful golden brown. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Your delicious, homemade cookies are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with a glass of milk, or let them cool completely and enjoy them at room temperature. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container for up to 3 days to keep them fresh. And hey, while you're treating yourself, remember life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.